you for taking time out of your days to be with us this afternoon. I'd like to also thank Kohler and the Kohler team, in particular Peter and Jane, I can't see, for their help, and of course our speakers, and a bit more about them in a few moments as well.
My name is Larry Yun. I'm the president for Kohler in Asia Pacific and EMEA. That's always good to get together with the design community. We have been doing this design forum a couple of times, different locations, but the first time we do it in Singapore.
Sustainability, as far as people are concerned, and as far as environments are concerned, as far as elephants are concerned. So that's my first project here.
So I'm going to show you 4 projects. Not started yet, okay? I'm going to show you 4 projects. The first one is a hotel called Cross 2. They wrote it like X2 in Guibari.
That inspires us, you know, there's a recent quote, it's an Apple quote, which is, okay, nice. But really it's about taking action and not being put off by what seem like insurmountable obstacles.
I found the whole thing very interesting. You get to learn a lot. It's something that you actually don't get to hear with a designer, but it's really nice to hear other people's perspectives, because you only work within a company, you work with people who have the same goals, same perspectives in your own company, so it's really nice to hear something like that. It's something that sustainability is something that every designer, I think, has in mind, especially if I'm an FF&E, so I select materials which actually does lead to sustainability. So I'm listening to how architects also think, how the operators also think, how the manufacturers also think was very educating for me.
This event has been a very insightful look into the way architects and hoteliers look at sustainability, and I feel that it will really impact my decision making and influence the way I work in the future with many projects to come. Also, I feel that whatever they have shown us is very it's very interesting as well, because it's not the conventional way of thinking sustainability. It is a more intangible and a more in-depth look into the way they carry out their thought process of sustainability, putting it into their design, and how it affects the outcome of their projects.
It's wonderful to be in this event and to learn more about sustainability, and also to share with all the different peers in the industry. I think today is really a responsibility of each one of us as a designer to really embrace this topic as part of our daily work scope. I think sustainability is quite natural, and it's also being executed across the board.
Yeah, the event was pretty exciting. It was good to hear from a lot of different designers, some good questions that were asked, some very real issues with sustainability, I think, in hospitality. And yeah, I mean, the discussion was good. You know, it's good to see that there's relevant products out there, and that there's, you know, real people doing real good design work and being conscious about the environment. It was very encouraging.
I think it's fantastic that what I gained from the talk is, you know, sustainability. It's something that, you know, it's not just something you can talk about and not do anything about it. I mean, what Kohler is doing, bringing it to the third world, keeping it very cheap, using very basic materials, infiltration. I mean, water, everybody wants to drink water, right? We want to drink it, we want to drink it well. And I think there's a lot of communities out there who will benefit from such an invention, I would say, yeah. So I had a lot to take away from it. That's really, I think, I said, good on you, Kohler, fantastic.